My name's Will Edwards. I'm the founder of Archie Rose Distilling Company in Sydney. We've been in business since March 2015. We started with about 8 staff and now we're up to just over 50.
Archie Rose has been one of the more challenging, but ultimately because of it, most fulfilling clients that we've worked with, really, I think.
Implementing a new inventory management system once you've already been operating is a challenge.
Archie Rose were able to use Deer, use Zero and use our assistants to ensure that they had one shot and they got it right the first time.
There's a couple of reasons why Deer has really improved the way we do business. That combination of knowing where our goods are at all stages of production in different locations around the country and being able to sort of deep dive into a bit more of the analysis around production efficiencies and performance are probably the two things that give us the most value. Yeah, so the process prior to Deer being put in place was basically a very manual process whereby we had Excel spreadsheets for each phase of production. So it was just a really onerous system which worked okay when we were smaller, but then as we grew it just became too clumsy and potentially prone to error.
When we go in, we take a process first, technology second approach to make sure that any piece of technology is going to meet those requirements functionally.
So we stay in communication, ensure that both training and also optimization of the system is at its maximum throughout the lifespan, empowering Archie Rose to use Deer to its full.
Some of the benefits that I'm seeing is you get to go away from the Excel style spreadsheets into a more automated system, whether it's building your bill of materials through to processing batch documents. It's all there. I can trust it, I can generate a report and I can then analyse the data. So I can now spend more time analysing the results, which is great. It makes my life much easier.
Spirits manufacturing is a bit difficult. Every single batch of production yield a different result. It depends on the environment and a number of other factors. So a robust manufacturing module was great. The other important aspect we were looking for is a really rigid system as to how the data flowed through. Because the federal government looks after and sort of manages all of the spirits production in Australia and their reporting requirements are really stringent. So we needed a system that would minimise or eliminate human error and allow us to see all of the changes throughout and every step of the process. To manage that scale with only 1 or 2 people is fantastic.